Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have Panasonic RB-M300B wireless Bluetooth headphones and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now there are two main reasons that you would want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If your headphones are not connecting to Bluetooth, or they are not syncing or pairing with your device, or if they keep disconnecting, if they're not working, you're not getting sound out of them, any kind of issue like this can very often be fixed with a hard reset. Now you will need to set them up again because all of the history will be wiped off of them and they will be like they just came out of the box. And that's the second reason you might want to do this. If you want to set these headphones up on a new device, or for whatever reason you just want to get a fresh start as though they're coming out of the box new, we can go ahead and do this quite easily. First of all, we want to make sure we have a decent charge on our headphones, and then we want to make sure they're turned off. And then we're going to come and press and hold this central power button here for 5 seconds until the light starts to blink blue and red alternatively. Once that happens, then we're going to come in, we're going to let go of that, we're going to come in and press and hold the volume up and the volume down buttons simultaneously for 5 seconds as well, until the little indicator light blinks blue quickly and then turns off. And the headset will turn off. Then we can turn it back on and set it up as a new set of headphones.